Gamito na gayud sa Kapitolyo ang 200 milyones nga budget gikan sa nasudnong kagamhanan pinaagi sa Department of Public Works and Highways kun DPWH nga gihatag ngadto sa kagamhanan sa lalawigan sa Sugbo aron sa pagpalambo sa tukuron unya nga government center didto sa lungsod sa Balamban. Nakigtagbo si Gobernador Gwen Garcia sa mga opisyales sa DPWH Region 7, gipanguluhan ni Regional Director Ernesto Gregorio Jr. niadtong Agosto 3 aron sabutan ang mga gahinan sa maong pondo. Kahinumduman nga giplano ni Gobernador Garcia nga magtukod og bagong government center dito sa Balamban ug ibalhin ang Kapitolyo ngadto. Replika gayud sa Kapitolyo sa Sugbo ang sentro sa maong government center diin tukuran usab og mga buhatan sa laing ahensya sa gobyerno. Gipadayag ni Gob Gwen ang ilang mabungahon nga panagtagbo sa taga DPWH nga gipanguluhan ni Engineer Gregorio kauban si 3rd District Congressman Pablo John P.J. Garcia.
We met with DPWH and this is as regards the 200 million pesos that is in the 2022 General Appropriations Act, specifically to help the province of Cebu in relocating its government center to Balamban. As I had already said, the design of the government center or the executive offices will be a replica of this capital. We have the plans for the capital. It made the job easier. The links that would be vital in access to the area itself. And there was, in fact, a very good presentation by DPWH, simulation of the capital actually located in the identified area where we will be putting up the edifice. We're moving forward. We have to start, and we will need to start already, lest the amount of 200 million be set aside. So that is why DPWH is anxious to start. And if you recall, we had already previously appropriated 500 million. That's a continuing appropriation for the capital.
Sa pagkakaroon, nasugda na ang panagsabot mahitungod sa pagpalit sa maong yuta. Apan wala pa niya ibutyag ang lokasyon kung asang dapita sa lungsod sa Balamban kini ipahimutang.
These are all titled lots, by the way. I'm still asking for a lower price. And we'd like to, I hope they will agree, because once I know that we would have purchased a certain area, property prices will shoot up all around. So I need to purchase as much as we would like. So that after that, we need to not just think of relocating the capital. We need to think also of putting up a government center for our provincial and perhaps regional offices of the national government. We need to think also of a housing project for our employees and other possible commercial ventures later on.
Gitinguha sa Kapitolyo nga usa ka gatos ka ektarya ang palito niini nga propiedad nga tukuran sa maong government center.
If you ask me, I'd like 100 hectares. But I don't know if that's realistic. We hope to at least get 50 hectares at the price that I want.
Eleanor Valeros, Balita sa Sugbo.